Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2003 Mercedes SL55. Finished in Obsidian black metallic. 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Usually inside it has the dark grey Nappa leather rather than light grey, but looks really smart with the black exterior. That's the electric massage seats. Electric and heated seats as well. So this one here operates the roof. A fully folding metal roof. This one also has panoramic glass in the centerpiece. The car has done 76,000 miles. Auto lights. 2 keys. .500 horsepower, rear-wheel drive. Lovely condition car. On headlights. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you want to make an appointment to come and look at the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call, or you can email us on sales@hypermotive.co.uk.